it's Kim from All My Vintage. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's crafting video, I'm doing some more Halloween mini assemblages. And I'm going to do the same thing. Is I'm going to mix this orange and black filler all together. Kind of like when, as if a bird was making a nest, I guess, but they don't have big hands. So I'm using this cute little jack-o'-lantern pumpkin bucket. If it'd like to focus, I think it keeps focusing on other things. Hold on. There you go. So, jack-o'-lantern pumpkin bucket. I'm going to use this cute little mini cat with a pumpkin bucket on its back. Very cute. So this one probably won't need too much. And then this brown metal bucket that could also put twinkle lights in. So I just figured I'd show you all three of these that I'm going to be using it for, because I'm going to use the same materials. So let me mix all of these together. So I think this looks pretty good. What do you think? So I'm going to just tear some apart and let's see how it looks like here. I think that's a nice amount for this one. I'm going to just glue a little bit on the inside, just to kind of keep some from falling out. So I gave this one the hair, looks like hair, right? And then this one, we're gonna add a little bit. Want to make sure you get all the little bits of this filler in there. If I can get it, just pull some. I don't think I need too much for this one. This one, well, yeah, let's not put too much. I think it needs a little bit of this. Let's add. Let me get my scissors. Give it a little haircut and to make it look fun. There you go. I think that looks good. Now this one, I think it's gonna need a lot. Let's see. Oh yeah, definitely going to need more. And I try to use all of the filler in there and not waste anything. So let me get some more and fill this up right away, and I'll be right back. Okay, again, I'm using some of this Halloween stuffing, the orange filler, and then the black Halloween stuffing filler. So I definitely need some more. Hopefully this is enough. Try to save it because I'm doing a lot of Halloween crafts. So let me mix this all together and show you all of them. Here's how it came out with this one, and this one, and this one. So now I'm going to choose the photos that I want to use in all of those three vessels. So let me grab my pictures. So I have a bunch of these. I already used these for some other ones, as well as these that I crafted in the other video. I want to use something different. I was thinking of maybe cutting this one out, possibly. Let's see. Okay, I definitely want to use this one. It says Happy Halloween, so it's so cute. So we got one. Let's put that one aside. So I feel like this one's too big for this one, but let's save this for another one. So definitely use that. So we have one. I keep thinking this one's so funny. This might take a while. Maybe we could use the, well, that's a really big picture, so maybe not. And then we have the owl. Okay, so I definitely want to use this for one of them. So we got one. Oh, maybe I'll use this one. I'll use her. She's fun. I'll use her for the tall one. maybe this one, since she has a black cat there. Okay, so we got 2, and I need 1 more. Maybe I can use this one and just cut it here. So we got this one. Definitely want to use this one and this one. So I'm gonna cut these and put them on craft paper to give it more structure. So I cut all of these out, and I'm going to glue them onto the craft paper just so I have something, and then we'll cut them and add some trim along the edges. I glued these all on to some card stock, this one, and we are going to add the orange and black pipe cleaners that I put somewhere. Hold on. So here I found them. I'm going to twist some of these orange and black sparkly pipe cleaners like I've done in the past videos. So you just basically twist them like so.
Wrap it around. So as you can see, my background layout is kind of a mess, but we're crafting here, so when things start to get messy, you know things are gonna look good at the end.
So there we go. We twisted these, and I'm going to glue them along the edges of all of these photos. I added the trim to all of these pictures. They look really great. And I'm going to glue the toothpicks down in the back and then add a little bit of paper to have a clean seam. So let me do that and you can see how it looks. So I added the toothpicks to these illustrations, and so we can put them in the buckets. So I'm going to glue the handle in the back, which is a piece of paper, to hold this up in here. Then I'm going to use these orange glitter pumpkins, add a toothpick there, and then I'm going to use one of those heartbeats again. Focus. I was able to find 3 of these heartbeats, and I'm going to add them as a stem to these pumpkins. I think I'm going to add some ribbon to this bucket just to kind of give it some more color on the trim. Here is the end product of this one. I think it looks really cute. Whoops, and I added seams in the back so that I could hold can be kind of like a stand for it. Trying to show you in the video. And then this one, I think I'm going to just leave it loose, so because you could use this as well for other things, whoever gets it, but if they want me to glue it down, I can do so. But I left it loose just for this one, just because I thought this was cute and they could use it for other things. This is the last one, and this one came out really cute with the owl and the little jack-o'-lantern bucket. Let me know in the comments below which item was your favorite of mine, and if I'll be bringing them to a live sale tonight on today, Saturday, but if any of these are still available, I'll put it down below here if they are, and yeah, let me know which one's your favorite in the comments below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!